All right, let's talk about something we all use every single day, but probably never really think about. It's the secret sauce, the invisible magic that makes the internet, well, fast. It's why your favorite shows stream perfectly and why websites just pop up on your screen. And it's all thanks to a piece of architecture that has totally changed the game.
I mean, you know the feeling, right? You could be in Tokyo, London, or right at home, and somehow that 4K video stream or that giant web page full of images just appears instantly. How does that even work? Well, it's not an accident, that's for sure. It's some seriously clever engineering, and that's the mystery we're going to solve right now.
So the big secret behind all of this? It all comes down to three little letters: CDN. This is the powerhouse, the unsung hero working behind the scenes to make the modern web feel so incredibly instant.
Okay, so what in the world is a CDN, a content delivery network? The easiest way to picture it is as a huge global team of servers. Instead of one single server for a website sitting somewhere far away, a CDN puts copies of that website's content, the images, the videos, all that stuff, in many different places all over the planet. The big idea? When you click on something, you get it from the server that's physically closest to you, not from one thousands of miles away.
Now that might still sound a little technical, so let's ditch the server talk for a second and use an analogy that I think we can all get behind. Pizza. Seriously, this is the perfect way to really get how a CDN works.
Imagine an internet without a CDN. It would be like trying to order a pizza, but there's only one pizza kitchen for the entire world. If you're in New York and that kitchen is in Rome, well, good luck. Your pizza is going to take forever to get there and it'll be cold. But with a CDN, it's completely different. It's like having a local pizza shop in every single neighborhood. Your order goes to the closest one and boom, it arrives fast and hot. That's the game-changing difference.
So the whole journey is just incredibly efficient. You go online and ask for something. That's you ordering the pizza. The system is smart though. It doesn't send your request halfway across the world. Nope, it routes it to the nearest server, our local kitchen, and the content is delivered to you almost instantly. It's a simple but brilliant solution to the problem of physical distance on the internet.
So this whole system isn't just about being a little bit faster. CDNs have some honest-to-goodness superpowers that are absolutely essential for the way the web works today. Let's break down exactly what those are.
Superpower number one, the big one, is of course speed. By reducing the physical distance data has to travel, CDN / what's called latency. That's just the technical term for delay. And for you, that means websites load quicker, videos play right away, and the whole experience just feels smooth and responsive.
Next up is reliability. Let's go back to our pizza shops. What happens if one of them has an oven fire and has to close for the day? Well, your order just gets sent to the next closest one, right? It's the exact same with a CDN. If one server goes down or has an issue, the network automatically reroutes traffic to other healthy servers. It's a massive safety net that keeps your favorite sites online, even when things go wrong.
And, oh, the superpowers don't stop there. We're talking scalability, which means they can handle a massive traffic spike, like from a viral post or a huge live event, without crashing. They boost security by acting as a shield, absorbing malicious attacks, and protecting the original server. And for website owners, they mean huge cost savings because they reduce the workload on that one main server.
So this technology might sound abstract, but here's the amazing part. You've been using CDNs this entire time, probably without even realizing it. They are the invisible infrastructure powering your digital life. Just think about it. Every single time you stream a show on Netflix, watch a video on YouTube, or scroll through product images on Amazon, you are interacting with a CDN. It's what delivers all that data to you seamlessly from a server that's likely just a few miles away.
And who's providing this magic? It's a massive industry with huge players. You've got companies like Cloudflare, famous for security and performance. There are the pioneers, like Akamai, who practically invented this space. Amazon has its own, CloudFront, which integrates perfectly with their huge AWS platform. And then you have Fastly, which is pushing the boundaries with something called edge computing. This isn't some niche tech, it's a foundational piece of the internet.
So, if you take away just one thing today, let it be this. A CDN is like a global network of mini-servers, all working together to get content to you in the best way possible, faster, safer, and more reliably than ever before. It's the unsung hero of the fast internet we've all come to expect.
And that brings us to a final thought. We know CDNs make the web fast by solving the problem of distance, but
How do they know what content to store and where to store it? What makes them truly smart? Well, that's a story for another time, and it involves another fascinating technology called caching.